Hello guys, today we're back again with Go So Far, episode 5. So as usual, we want to grow on the science of forgetting and remembering. This is the 5th point. Today we're looking at the child and the adolescent, in this case the early child and the adolescent. So typical of the early child is that he chooses his ignorance to lead desires. That's what a child normally does. At this stage, growth is usually in pieces, much like the pieces of a Rubik's Cube that have to come together before they form the full Rubik's Cube. So what you notice that physical change is leading in the early childhood stage. Then there's also intellectual change, which also progresses because the brain grows very rapidly. There's also experiential learning that happens at this stage, because at this point their senses are maximized and they learn essentially from the environment. There's cultural changes that occur, and then emotional changes, and then we have social changes when the children learn to integrate into society. So here, the adolescent, this is a day obediently listening escapes senses, causing errors, not treasures. A day obediently listening escapes senses, causing errors, not treasures. Indeed, that is the character of adolescence. Now, this is because of these letters. So the adolescence is preceded by sexual changes, then physical change, then intellectual change, cultural change, emotional change, and social change completes the adolescent, after which the adolescent becomes a fully grown child. In this form, the adolescent is just a misarranged Rubik's Cube. So after you arrange the Rubik's Cube and everything is aligned correctly, then we can truly say that an adult has formed. But it all starts with being able to piece up the pieces as a child, then arranging the colors as an adolescent, becoming a fully complete man, who is perfectly responsible for all the roles that he plays in society.